So welcome back to the channel, because I did post some videos before, but you know, they wasn't videos. I think I can go to this gas station here because I try to drive. Today is pick up the drone day. I'm very excited. I'm trying to drive so to this drone. I mean, this phone no phone. But I can't really hear what this is. So if I talk in loud. So I think I have y'all on a more stable situation. But today I am going to pick up my DJI drone DJI SE drone. And I'm excited, like, yeah, hopefully y'all gonna hear me in the music video, so. But yeah, I'm just on my way to pick up my drone. I ordered a case with it, like to so because when I ordered the drone itself, it doesn't come in a it doesn't come with a case. So I'm ordering a case. Well, I ordered a case at the same time. Amazon, why when I order one package, y'all feel like it's appropriate to me that's the whole. Why y'all feel like it's appropriate to split my box up? And some people might be like, oh, they come from different places. I mean, I get that, but if you have a drone, right, in a warehouse, why don't put the drone cases next to the drone in the warehouse? That makes sense. But anyway, here's what it is. It's still supposed to be coming today here, I think. Yes, whatever. But when I get it, I'll do like an unboxing. Like, I've been wanting a drone, So super happy and excited, and I cannot wait. Alright, overtake me. I still speeding up, so do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I should show y'all this car. The bumper, the whole car coming off. See? Anyways, go on, overtake me, child. I ain't breaking either. Anyway, one like me, right? If I'm driving and you overtake me and you expect me to slow down because you're overtaking and the car is coming closer, well, that sounds kind of bad, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, if I ain't going that slow, I mean, don't come out. Do not come out. Do not come out. I'm not letting you out. Anyway, I could talk to y'all later because this is just about me rambling. And I don't think that's not, is it really necessary? This road is very clear, so I could, like, you know, hey, yeah, and then look back. But if it was like a work day, because it is, hopefully I put the date on the screen the first time.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know.
Ooh la la.